Hola clase, en este video vamos a hablar sobre cosas importantes de esta semana. Okay, so first we'll go to content and our important due dates spring to see what we have due coming up. So we had due by Sunday, January 21st at midnight, the introduction video as well as the syllabus quiz. So then for the 28th, we'll have to complete the VHL activities as well as the partner dialogues. Okay, so if you go back to our homepage, you'll see that I did post a video about partner dialogue instructions, so please watch that video. You can find your partner here under groups. Okay, you'll look here to see who your assigned partner is. As I said in my email, if you have any trouble locating their email address, let me know and I will send you that information. Remember that when you are completing the partner dialogues, you find the prompts on VHL. Okay, and that can be found. Here's our VHL page. We use Imagina. We'll go to the assignment calendar. And here it is, the 28th. That's when we have our next assignments due. And then we have the two different partner dialogues. Okay, and remember, it'll have this, make it a little bit bigger, just so everybody can see. It will have this icon to show that it is a partner dialogue. So here under estructuras, we have the prompt of sueños cumplidos, and then we'll go further down and see also under estructuras, ¿dónde estamos? So I have already shown you guys this in a previous video, but we'll go back and look at it again. Okay, and that's under calendar. If we want to go to content activities, that's how we locate the activities that are going to be assigned. Okay, so we'll go here to estructuras. And you see that some of them are due today, while others are due until the 28th. We have our first partner dialogue, sueños cumplidos, and the instructions are here. Okay, lee la historia de estas personas y sus deseos. Elige un personaje. Luego dile a tu compañero o compañera, let's see what it says. Okay, que te haga una entrevista sobre tu vida y sobre tus planes. Después, pide a tu compañero o compañera que elija un personaje y entrevístalo tú. Okay, so here it gives you the different descriptions. You're supposed to read these through, choose one of them, and pretend to be that person so that your partner can guess which one you are, and then they do the same thing. So we do not do the partner dialogues here. Do not record your partner dialogues on VHL. We record them on Adobe Connect through our D2L page. VHL is just where we find the prompts, okay? So we're also going here under estructuras for the second partner dialogue, and it is here, donde estamos. It shows to Sunday 128, and this is the En parejas, elijan una de estas ciudades. Tu compañero tiene que adivinar de qué ciudad se trata. Okay, and here it gives you the different cities and some more information. Remember that the partner dialogues do have to be 3 minutes long for our class. So that's where you'll find the information, the prompts for the partner dialogues here under our D2L page is where you'll find Adobe Connect. And that's where you should be going to complete the recordings for the partner dialogues. Okay, remember you'll do it here under study groups. You will need to write your name as well as your partner's name and then put the recordings in there. Okay. And that's basically what we have due for this week in addition to the other assigned activities, and we'll take a look at those. Okay, the 28th we'll go to homework. So these are the activities that you'll be completing. It looks like it's all still under Lección 1, under the Estructuras tab, and we're going to be looking at the verbs ser and estar. I will be uploading shortly a PowerPoint about ser and estar and its uses, so please be on the lookout for that, as well as a video explaining the different uses of the two verbs. Okay, so that's what we have to do for this week. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Okay, you'll find some information here about study abroad. As well, here is the information for our textbook if you have yet to purchase the textbook. Okay. Thank you guys and have a good week.